Welcome back to the Feather Place DIY channel. Today I will be making the super cute snowman using just a few things, and we are going to get started on our snowman wreath. Okay, so we have our materials here. We have this 6-foot white marabou feather boa that I bought off thefeatherplace.com for $3, and this will be the outside of the wreath. We will be wrapping that around. I've gotten here a foam circle. It is about 10 inches in width or so. Here we have that. Put that back down. Piece of felt. This is going to be for the face. It's going to go behind. Like that. 2 buttons for the eyes here. We've got a little nose ball here. And we have this that we made in our ugly sweater DIY tutorial video. Now that we have our materials here, I'm gonna go ahead and start making the snowman. First, I'm going to take the foam circle and put it on top of the felt here, leaving a little bit of room at the top because the hat will be covering this part and you won't see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and trace around. So we have the foam circle here, which we will be wrapping this all around the side, but leaving a little bit of room at the top because that's where the hat will be. So even if you want to just go ahead and stick your hat on there and kind of eyeball it, maybe make a little mark or something. Hat fits on there good, no gaps. So we're gonna glue this on now to the back to create the face. Gangnam Style. We are just about finished here with our snowman. If you like to hang it, you can hot glue a piece of fishing line or a piece of string on the back so that it can hang. And if you want to do that, you just put a couple of dabs of hot glue and let that dry. And you have yourself a holiday snowman. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe to our channel, The Feather Place DIY, and we hope to see you again next time for another feather tutorial. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you soon. Bye.